Alright, the men's 10-meter air pistol. 8th place is Davaku from Mongolia with 115.7. Mikech from Serbia in 7th with 136.9. Walter from Germany with 158.4 comes in 6th. Reitz from Germany in 5th with 177.6. Lee from South Korea comes in 4th with 197.9. Mona from Italy comes in 3rd with 218.6. Maldini from Italy comes in 2nd with 240.0. And Zhe from China comes in 1st with 240.9. So 2 for Italy, 1 for China. So that's the end of the video. Subscribe if you guys haven't, and I will see y'all in the next one. Goodbye. I'm gonna count.